weight and balance and also act as systems managers up front to aid the pilots. Drop masters safely manage the cargo bay, prepare survival gear, and physically deploy each payload during drop demolitions. We'll see an example of that as they do their recce pass down. Coast Guard is especially expected conducting the high-speed, low-level pass to simulate survivor location. Once the flare is popped, they will track back in to drop their load here on top of us for the crucial supplies on target that would be needed in this scenario. Lieutenant Commander Casey Gordon. Flying the mission, co-pilot Lieutenant Commander Zach Bowers. The loadmaster AMT-1 Jesse Barnes. Dropmaster 1 AMT-3 Darian Lamar. Dropmaster 2 AMT-3 Tommy Eberhardt. Ground party survivor Morgan Shepshon. That makes up our coasting crew here today. Coming back around now to drop the rear cargo doors open. Parachute and supplies. You saw too as they flew by the FLIR camera on the nose and the 360-degree belly-mounted radar. Unique to the United States Coast Guard C-130J. The Minotaur. Its mission suite allows passing real-time radar contacts to other Coast Guard surface vessels and partner DHS assets. Target. That cargo bay door is open. Have your cameras ready for the rare opportunity to see this now. Here they come. Right over show center. They'll drop. Right on target. They nailed it. A little drone shoot steady as it comes down. How impressive is that? This long-range asset, the new C-130J model Hercules of the Coast Guard. As I mentioned, 64,000 pound fuel load, 175,000 pounds of airplane, 40,000 pound payloads, frequently utilized to transport Coast Guard equipment, survival gear, and aircraft parts to other units. Lieutenant Commander Casey Gordon, Lieutenant Commander Zach Bowers, Jesse Barnes, Darian Lamar, Tommy Eberhardt. On the ground here, our survivor, Morgan Shepshon, the Coast Guard, and the C-130J.
Big ol' hard. What? Girl, you crazy.
And now our air boss, Wayne Boggs, got to convince the ghosties to bring that thing back down to the ground. And it'll taxi by too, in straight at us, and you'll get a nice close-up look at this impressive airplane. It's so great to be able to include the Coast Guard here. All of our armed forces, of course, well represented. The Space Force, the Air Force coming up later with the F-22. The guys want to get a selfie with you in the background. So watch the Hercules now as it comes by. And get your hands in the air. I'm going to warn you now, if you're with somebody you ought not to be with, you may want to give yourself a little distance here. But they're going to take a shot of their own. And we're looking forward to seeing that one too on the socials. So make yourself look great for the Coast Guard and their selfie. they break the van down and recover this huge long-range mission is the perfect airplane. Lockheed Martin, with this design, Hercules, and through the evolution of the design, over 62 years now, and still climbing, still setting records as they continue to upgrade and redesign the airplane. Better engines, lighter materials, and with the absolutely magnificent girls here today. Good posties! And they're going to turn in here very shortly, and the whole crew will be able to see it as they turn around and down. Put the airplane away, you will see the roadmasters in the back.